How to view all locked chats on WhatsApp web on PC. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open WhatsApp web. Log into your account using your number. You will find this kind of screen pop up. Click on three lines on top left corner of your screen. After you click on three lines on top left corner of your screen, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. You'll find locked chats in there. Click on lock chat. Enter your secret code and all your locked chats will be available in this list. Simply click on the chat you want to see from your locked chat. And this is how to view all locked chats on WhatsApp web on PC. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off until next time.